What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have this F150 Raptor, a rugged smartphone, but look at these. The design language of this rugged smartphone is very aggressive and attractive. Yeah, because it has a very nice outlook and appearance, that's why I have bought this one. But after I have bought this one, I'm just amazed with the performance of this rugged smartphone. This one comes with a Helio G99 SoC and a very good main sensor. Well, even if this is a rugged smartphone, but look at these. This is a very light. This is a very light smartphone, one of the lightest among all the rugged smartphones that I have ever used. This one comes with a very large battery pack, and yeah, we are gonna talk a lot other things. We are gonna cover all the aspects of this smartphone in this review, but before everything, one request to you. If you end up liking this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button and please subscribe to this channel. Support honest content. Okay, inside the box I've got this F150 Raptor, some paperworks, a 65 watt GAN charger. Wow. This is a USB-C based charger, so this one comes with a very good quality. Wow, premium quality. A USB-C to USB-C braided cable. I'm super satisfied with the accessories that I have got inside the box. Well, here comes our F150 Raptor. The first time I've got this smartphone in my hand, I was like totally surprised. Build quality, outlook and appearance, everything is super premium. Especially, this one gives me a vibe of elegance. This one looks pretty elegant, and definitely this one is a posh and premium rugged smartphone. Yeah, they have printed the logo at the back, but that logo, like many other brands, didn't make the phone look ugly. Rather, the logo gives it a different, aggressive vibe. The rear camera block is actually handcrafted and designed with elegant vibe. There are some diamond patterns, and altogether this one is built with precision, designed with care. Yeah, as usual, this one comes with IP68, IP69K military standard 810H certification, and yeah, the frame is made with metal, but look at these. There are metal bezels. This isn't a design language. I agree that due to having this bezel, it's a bit easier to grip the smartphone and the smartphone looks better, but these bezels are to protect the smartphone. Talking about protection, on all four corners there are protruding protection, and these protruding patterns actually will help this smartphone from accidental drops or bumps. There is a customizable button on the left, volume rockers, and the power button is on the right side. They have integrated the fingerprint sensor inside the power button. And altogether, the button placement, the design language, wow, this is so very soothing. It doesn't feel like a rugged smartphone, and in hand, it isn't even any heavier than any other usual smartphones. One more time, I'm in love with this design. I wish the other rugged smartphone brands will take some ideas and will try to deliver something creative like this. I would say in my hand, I always feel F150 is the rugged smartphone where creativity meets elegance. Elegance meets technology. Well, let's go through the review and check how is the performance of this F150. Well, this F150 Raptor comes with a hybrid SIM tray. Yeah, we can either use two SIM cards at the same time, or we can use a SIM card along with a TF card or microSD card. Yeah, that means we can actually expand the storage of this F150 Raptor. As this one is a rugged smartphone, this F150 Raptor can withstand accidental drops or damages. This one can also withstand, like, I've tried to put this one inside my refrigerator. Look at this. This one is freezing, and still we are able to use the smartphone. So wherever we are gonna take this one with us, I mean in extreme cold or extreme hot weather, this one will survive. Not only survive, this one will perform like a beast. Okay, I'm gonna put this F150 Raptor inside water for the next 10 minutes only to check the IP68 rating. I'm sure nothing will happen. I'm sure this one will survive, but let's check. F150 Raptor comes with a 6.8-inch IPS LCD panel, 1080 by 2460 resolution, 120Hz refresh rate. F150 has a lot of options in the display settings. If you want to preserve battery, you can select 60Hz. You can even select auto refresh rate. I prefer 90Hz because this one offers fluidity and at the same time it also preserves a bit of a battery. So this one is the sweetest spot. But if you want, definitely you can select 120Hz refresh rate. Let me tell you the truth, even if this one is a LCD panel, this one offers very good performance. Colors are vivid and vibrant, black is truly dark, white is very bright. I may have said the same thing for a few other rugged smartphones, but this one is different. The display panel is also protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, which is definitely a bit better than many other smartphones. I really like the color calibration. The way F150 Raptor has calibrated and optimized the colors, it's really pretty natural yet vibrant. I would give this display panel 9 out of 10 on any day. F150 Raptor comes with a bottom-firing single loudspeaker. Yeah, it's located at the bottom part, but I'm surprised by the performance of this bottom-firing single loudspeaker. This one offers a very good performance and it doesn't even get distorted at the full volume.
Yeah, she might be pretty, but I promise it gets scary. Once she wants your daddy and she finds out where you live. Creeping in the shadows, eating poisoned apples. She's nothing like you ever seen.
F150 Raptor comes with a 108 megapixel main sensor. Camera performance is even better than many other mainstream mid-range smartphones. I think F150 Raptor is one of the best rugged smartphones when it comes to camera performance. Also, this one comes with a 64 megapixel sensor with autofocus for night vision and a sensor for thermal imaging. There is a dedicated application pre-installed which actually is a very useful application for thermal imaging. Inside the application there are a lot of options. We can check the temperature, we can select between Quick and Pro. There is a heat map. From the colors of the heat map we can easily read which one is warmer and which one is colder. You know what? We can even select RGB mode. Yeah, there are a bunch of options and this is very useful if you know how to use this one. Okay, if I have forgotten to mention, yeah, this one also comes with underwater camera. We can use the camera underwater. So if you like swimming or diving, then this would be a pretty nice choice. Okay, I have tried to take photos side by side using the 108 megapixel main sensor along with some other mid-range smartphones. You know what? I'm super impressed. Well, not me. You decide by yourself. Let's check these photos. What do you think? Are you not impressed? F150 Raptor comes with a MediaTek Helio G99 SoC. This one is one of the most powerful SoCs in its category. F150 Raptor comes with Helio G99 along with 12GB of RAM. That makes this F150 Raptor a great performer. And you know what? We can even expand the RAM up to 12GB. So altogether we have access to 24GB of RAM. I have tried to play some graphics intensive games on this F150 Raptor. I truly have enjoyed playing games on this smartphone. After playing games for hours after hours, I have never seen any throttling. I have never seen any hiccups or lags. This one offers a very good in-game experience. I think I should say very fluid and buttery smooth. Yeah, considering that it's a rugged smartphone, F150 Raptor is one of the best rugged smartphones for gaming. Okay, time to talk about the battery. This one comes with a 10,000 mAh battery inside this phone. Considering the battery size, this is a very thin and light smartphone. Well, at the beginning, I have already shown that this one comes with a 65-watt GAN charger inside the box, so this F150 Raptor gets charged pretty fast. And the thing is, when it's charged, it's very difficult to drain the battery. I have been playing games and I have tried to use this smartphone as my daily drive, and it took me 5 days to drain the battery. I mean, from 100% to 1%. F150 Raptor comes with stock Android. This one comes with Android 13 out of the box, and the operating system actually runs pretty smoothly. As I've mentioned earlier, F150 Raptor got its fingerprint sensor integrated into the power button. This one comes with side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's pretty easy to register fingerprint, and the fingerprint sensor works super fast. And I've never seen any hiccups or any issues. This one works perfectly well. If you're interested, there is this 2D face unlocking option available on F150 Raptor. It's also very easy to register face data, and this one also unlocks the phone pretty fast. Okay, it's time for verdict, and I'm super surprised by the performance of the main sensor. This one comes with a 108 megapixel main sensor. I've already mentioned that, and we together have already watched some photos and videos that I have grabbed with this F150 Raptor. It's super amazing because this one is comparable with some other mid-range devices. Okay, before I wrap up, I want to mention another thing. I have accidentally dropped this smartphone almost 3 times and there isn't no dent. I can't even find any scratch. This is a gem of a rugged smartphone. That's my verdict. What about you? What do you think about this F150 Raptor? Don't forget to make a comment in the comment section and let me know your thoughts and ideas. I love to read your comments and I like to reply to your comments. Well, if you have enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Go ahead, smash that like button. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, then please subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to enable notification.